gorgeous, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to styling services. I just love clothes, so that's what all my videos are about. If that sounds good to you, please subscribe below. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate that. Today I am unboxing a Nadine West bag, so I guess maybe that's called unbagging. This is like my 7th bag, I want to say, and I love Nadine West for what it is. It is basically, you're going to get more affordable clothing in this bag than a lot of the other styling services, but it might not be as good a quality, but I usually find it's simple, it's cute, and honestly that's kind of my style, is really simple type clothing. So I really enjoy Nadine West. If you don't know what it is, you know, again, another style survey where they send you anywhere from 2 to 8 items. It seems like it's usually a mix of jewelry and clothing items. Keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They only charge you for what you keep. And I do have a referral code below that if you use that, then you'll get a free pair of earrings and free shipping on your first bag. So why not try it? It's risk-free. So let's go ahead and get into this. I have opened the bag but not looked inside, so I have no idea what's in here. So let's get to it. Okay, it looks like I have 2 bundles this time, which I don't think I've ever had 2 bundles before. So I feel kind of special. Okay, bundle 1. And I'll say, they even throughout the summer, they tend to send simple patterns and darker colors. It's not a lot of bright, vibrant colors. So again, that's kind of me, so I'm good with that. Okay, so I see some camo and some like heather type color. I don't know what to call that. Stripey. Okay. So we have here, okay, this camo seems like it's going to be a dress. Oh, okay. So the camo here is a hooded dress with 3/4 sleeves, it looks like. It's going to be a slim dress, so we might have some problems with it on my bum. We have a pocket here in the front, and then, like I said, a hood on it with the drawstrings. It's cute. It might be a little bit too casual. Like, I don't really know where to wear this type of thing, because I'm not going to wear it to work. I can't wear it to church, so it's like, I don't know why I'm wearing this. But we'll see. I might fall in love with it on. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, so we have a 3/4 sleeve shirt. It's kind of more of a sweater material. This is from DNA Couture. Oh, and this dress is from Liz and Sarah. Okay, so again, striped in the front with a pocket, and the sleeves are kind of more of a solid color. Has a pin fold on the sleeves, and I really like it. My only concern is I've already gotten from Nadine West a gray and white striped shirt with pocket. So is it overkill? I don't know, but I really like it. I like that it's a sweater material. So let's keep going. Okay, bundle 2, some blacks. There's something floral in here, something lacy. Okay. And I will do jewelry last because that's the least interesting part to me. We have a blouse. It is a highly sheer blouse with a kind of squarish pattern on it. Again, 3/4 sleeves with the tabs on it. And it is has actually a twist front on it. I'm really not into sheer blouses, so I have a feeling I'm not going to love this, but again, we shall see once I get it on. And this is DNA Couture again. And then we have, ooh, 5 pieces of clothing in this one. I like it. Oh, these are shorts. Lace shorts by New Mix. And just a, like I said, black lace short. I don't really know what to say other than that, but I think I would wear that in the summer. Just, you know, kind of a dressier go out in the summer type short. So, and then we have, oh, another pair of shorts. This is shorts. Well, this is different. It's a patterned black and pink floral with some blues in it, and it's shorts. You know, we got some pockets here, and very interesting. We'll have to see what this is like on. I'm skeptical just seeing it, like, wow, I don't know that I'd ever wear it, but I get surprised how much I like things when they have it on. Okay, I'm gonna open up the jewelry, then let's go over that. Okay, so first up we have this necklace. It's just like a little chain with a little V on it. So, and then we have these earrings with kind of this dangly disc. I think that's unique and cute. Okay, so lots of interesting items, some stuff that's a little bit different, a little bit more unusual, so I'm excited to try those items, and let's do the try on. Okay, first up we have the sweater and the lace shorts. They don't really go together, but I'm trying to make this speedy. So, okay, the sweater, I actually didn't like it as much as I thought I would. It just, I think for some reason I don't love the neckline of it. And then it's kind of a little bit big on top, and the sleeves has a little extra bagginess to it that I feel like it shouldn't have. So I'm kind of on the top. And then the shorts I really like, and my booty's not hanging out or anything like that, but they are a bit short. So what do you guys think about them? Are they too short? I kind of like them. I feel like I would wear these. They're different than any other shorts I've had. I've always kind of been interested in these type of shorts. So I don't know, what do you guys think? So I think we can all agree that this is a no. The pockets kind of make it stick out a bit, and I'm already pretty wide down here, and so it just makes me more wide. They're super soft. They're super comfortable. I'll say that. I like the high waist on it, but this is a little bit further outside of my comfort zone, and I just don't think it's a super flattering style. This is what it looks like from behind. So, I think this is probably a no, but I'm glad that I got a chance to try something like this. So thank you, Nadine West, for give me something new to try. So let's try on the next piece. Next up is this sheer blouse. Again, I appreciate because it's a bit different than what I normally get from a Nadine West. I'm just not over the moon with it. Again, I'm not super into sheer blouses. I do like the knot detail on the front. It's longer in the back. I think they look nice with some white jeans, but I'm not completely sold on it. You guys tell me what you think. Okay, so next we have the Camel Dress, which I do like. It's soft, it's comfortable, very comfortable. It's snug on the bum, but not as bad as some of the others have been. And fits really well, fits great. The only thing is, like I said, I don't know where I would wear this, but I like it, and I don't know. You guys, I keep saying you guys tell me what you think, but I really do rely a lot on people's feedback, so this will be one that I try to get up pretty quickly so I can hear what people have to think. And then I do have the earrings, so I always get my placement off of this, so hopefully you guys can see these on. I think the earrings are cute, and I like them, so if the price is right. I didn't even try the necklace. The necklace was fine, but there was nothing about it that I was like, oh, I really need this necklace height. So, and I really don't wear a ton of necklaces, so I just didn't feel like taking it off the cardboard, and it was taped on the back, and just like, I don't feel like it. Hopefully you guys are cool with that. Now let's go over the prices. All right, guys, time to go over prices. They do send you a mailing tag to put back on the same bag after you put your clothes back in that you want to return. So you want it to make sure you don't destroy the bag, because that will be the bag that you send the items back in. All right, prices. All right, let's start at the top. So this is the Cameron top, and it's $26.97. I loved the sweater, I just didn't love the fit of it on me, so I don't think I'm keeping that. Then we have the navy blouse, and this is the Alma blouse, and it is $27.99. I love that it was unique and different than I've received, but I'm not into the sheer blouses, and so I just didn't really want to keep that. And then we have the lacy afternoon short, and it is $23.19. I do think that this will be a keeper, unless you guys really feel like it's way too short for me at $35. But I like it myself, and hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, and then we have, this is the Geo Garden short, and it is $19.49. The pockets, I felt like weren't very flattering on them, and they were kind of sticking out, and I just didn't think it was great on me. So I will not be keeping that. This is the cute camo dress, and it is $29.99. Love it. I love the dress. I love the fit. I love the feel. I just don't think I'd ever wear it because I don't know where to wear this to. So then we have the earrings that I tried on. These are the Cherry Bomb earrings. They are $9.99. I'm going to keep these. I liked them. I'm going to keep them. And then the necklace. This is the Cute Vibes necklace, and it is $18.49, and I'm obviously not keeping that because I didn't even bother to try it on. I forgot to mention that the only styling cost with Nadine West is $9.78 for shipping, and that does apply to anything you purchase. Again, I don't want to have a Nadine West where I want to buy everything, because I've bought a lot of things recently in my Stitch Fix and my Mix and Match, and so there's a couple pieces here that I really like, and I'm very happy just to have a couple pieces that I like. To me, it was a very successful Nadine West, and I can't wait for my next one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe below. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.